Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI, and this is one of my family's favorite games to play when we get together. This version of the Rummy Cube game from Soopotay was a great upgrade to the one that we had. It was only 4 players, and this is 2 to 6 players. So as a family of 5, we're really happy that no one has to sit out around or team up with another player. It's a fun game of strategy, so you're looking to make a run of the same color or sets of the same number, different color. The wild card or joker is great when you get stuck, but don't get stuck with it in the end because then you'll have a lot more points against you. It's a really great game for a wide range of ages. As long as you know basic math, you can play it. And it's not a fast-paced game, so young and old alike will enjoy it. So if you're looking for a great game for your family game night or vacations, I highly recommend this Rummy Cube game from Soopotay. And that's my point of view.